ओम ब्रह्मानंदं परमसुखदं केवलं ज्ञानमूर्तिं द्वन्द्वातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं तस्मैस्यादिलक्ष्यम् एकं नित्यं विमलमचलं सर्वधि साक्षिभूतं भावातीतं त्रिगुणरहितं सद्गुरुं तं नमामि। ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्ति पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपा। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय। स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शिवोहम। Today we are taking the Sanskrit Guru Gita, stanza 172 to 182 in the finishing part of Guru Gita. Lord Shiva telling to Parvati, in this world the wives are not disciple of husband because the husband is not like Lord Shiva. So Lord Shiva not only the husband of Parvati but he is master or Sadguru also Parvati. So Parvati is asking about spiritual fact to the Lord Shiva. The secret of spirituality. In the Guru Gita, the Lord Shiva is telling about the secrecy of spirituality because the Master is the door of all divinity and security. This stanza is like that. Vidya tapo balainaiva mandabhagyasya naraha Guru seva na kurvanti satyam satyam varanane. If you have lot of knowledge, if you have lot of sacrification of your life, if you have lot of admiration of your society and family, if you have the tapas, but if you are not doing the service of your master, you are unfortunate person. Then you are unfortunate person if you are not doing the service of master. So Shiva is telling to my dear Parvati, if you have the power of your knowledge, if you have the power of your tapasya, if you have all these things and equal to the Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, but if you not serving your master Sadguru, that your all tapa or all your knowledge, no meaning in your life. Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshasya Devarshi Pitra Kinnaraha Siddhacharan Yakshasya Anne Api Munyojanaha. My dear Parvati, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Devarshi, Pitar, Kinnar, Siddhacharan, Yaksha, yet if they are not doing the service of Sadguru, they are really unfortunate, they have get nothing. You think that Brahma is the great God of this universe, but you do not know. Brahma also worship his master. Who is his master? His master is Satchidananda Paramatma. Vishnu, you think that Vishnu is the supreme power of the world. No, Vishnu also worship his master. Who is his master? His master is Satchidananda Paramatma. or Shiv himself also telling, and Devarshi, Narad, and Vasishtha, Vishwamitra, and other Devarshi, they also worship their master. A person is asking me that how you tell, why you tell in the beginning of discourse, Sadguru Bhagwan ki jai, Swamiji Maharaj ki jai, Shivom. I answer him, anyone who is, even he is the master, he should respect his master, because his master is very, very honorable person, because he has given all these things and ability of the enlightenment to me like person and you like person. So, the Pitaraha, Kinnaraha, Siddha, Charna, Yaksha, Munijan, if they do not serve his master, they will be fall down and they will be unlucky person. They cannot stand in existence. Guru bhava param tirtha manya tirtham nirarthakam sarva tirthasrayam devi padangushtam cha vartate. Oh my dear Parvati, if you love your master, if you respect your master, if you obey your master, if you do the meditation as master teaching you, that all pilgrimage is nothing behind the master. All pilgrimage is nothing in the comparison of master. They are meaningless. All pilgrimage is meaningless. This is not I am telling, this is Shiva telling to Parvati. So all the pilgrimage and all the holy places of the world, they are living in the feet, the thumb of the feet of master. Master's thumb of the feet, Pandangushta, that is the origin of all tirthas, all pilgrimages, all holy places. So that's why we wash the feet of master and take the charnamrit. Japena jayam apnoti chananta phalam apnuyat hina karma swajan sarvam sthanani chadhamani chaha. My dear Parvati, while reading this Guru Gita, the man get winning position in his life and he will achieve the infinite fruits and results in his life. If you are reading this Guru Gita, you should be careful about the place where you are reading. That place must be holy and pure. Do not read this Guru Gita in dirty places or low level places. Japam hinasanam kurvan hina karma phalapradam Guru Gita prayane va sangrame ripu sankate. If you read this Guru Gita in lower places, then you will get the result lower also. When you are going anywhere, first you read this Guru Gita, then go. If you have any danger or any problem in your life, you should read Guru Gita. Your problem or your danger will be removed. If you want going for the bar, you read this Guru Gita. When you read this Guru Gita, if you die in the bar or battle, then you will get mukti. And if you are a disciple of enlightened master, your every work will be done in good condition and you will get good result in every work. जप जय जप जन्माप्नोति मरणे मुक्तिदायकं सर्वकर्म च सर्वत्र गुरुपुत्रस्य सिद्ध्यति. By the reading of Guru Gita, you will get winning, and if you read the Guru Gita before the death, you will get moksha, and all your efforts will be success by the chanting of this Guru Gita. Idam rahasyam no vakyam tavagre kathitam maya sugopyam cha prayatnena mamatvam cha priyatvati. Oh my dear Parvati, you are very loving for me, so I am giving this secret to you. It is a very, very secret thing. The Guru Gita is not journal, it is very secret. So, this secret I open in front of you. Please do not open this secret to anyone who is not loving to the Master and who is not loving to the God. Swami Mukhya Ganeshadi Vishnavadina cha Parvati मनसापि न वक्तव्यम सत्यम सत्यम वरानने सत्यम सत्यम वदामहम. Our son Swami Kartikeya or our son Ganesh or my principal servant and the Vishnu and other god goddess, they do not know the secret of this Guru Gita, or do not say to anyone, this is very secret thing. The Lord Shiva is telling to the Parvati, the Ganesha, the Kartikeya and other god and goddess, they are also not able to read this Guru Gita if they have no love to his master, because it is only that Shankar is telling for showing the importance of the Guru Gita. Ativa pakva chittaya Shraddha bhakti yutaya cha Pravaktamidam devi mamatma asi sada priye. Ativa pakva chittaya. My dear goddess Parvati, whose mood is very pure and mature and with the respect and love to the master, he is the bhaktas of master, devotee of the master, then you will told to this Guru Gita that person, otherwise never told. Because Parvati, you are my soul, so I told you this Guru Gita. Abhakte banchake dhurte pakhande nastike nare manasapi na vaktavya Guru Gita kadachana. Abhaktaha, if a person the criticizing the master never told him Guru Gita. The rogue who want only money or stolen the money, others, do not tell Guru Gita to him. If a person is fall down his character or he is fall down his morality, do not give the Guru Gita to him. If a person is a fake and dual mind and showing another thing and doing another thing, do not tell to the Guru Gita to him. A person do not believe the existence of Master God, do not tell to Guru Gita to him. Never think to tell Guru Gita to him, even. Sansara Sagara Samudraneka Mantram Brahmadi Deva Muni Pujitam Siddha Mantram Daridya Dukha Bhavaroga Vinasha Mantram Bande Mahabhayaharam Guru Raja Mantram. This Guru Gita is the mantra to welfare your life from the from this illusion of the world. Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, Indradi Dev, Narad, they all worship this Guru Gita mantra. This mantra can take away your poverty. You can become a prosperous person by the reading this Guru Gita, and all your illusion, diseases of this Maya, this Guru Gita will take away and make you a pure. So, this Guru Gita mantra can save you from the great fear of birth and death cycle. So, my dear Parvati, I am bowing in the front of this Guru Gita mantra. The Lord Shiva is also respect this Guru Gita and bowing and bending his head in front of Guru Gita, because the Guru Gita is the prayer of Almighty Satchidananda Paramatma, who is the father of Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesa and Shiva. So, इति श्री स्कंद पुराणे उत्तराखंडे ईश्वर पार्वती संवादे गुरु गीता संपूर्ण सुर गुरुदेव चरण स्पर्श शरणार्पणमस्तु. This is the total discourse on the Guru Gita, which is telling by the Lord Shiva to the Parvati. It comes in the Skanda Purana. It is conclude now. So the Lord Shiva is telling, I am surrendering this Guru Gita in feet of my master Shivoham. Shiva. Tumaiva mata च पिता tumaiva, tumaiva bandhu च sakha tumaiva, tumaiva vidya च द्रविणं tumaiva, tumaiva sarvam mama deva deva. सद्गुरु भगवान की जय. स्वामी जी महाराज.